Have you ever wondered why society is so obsessed with size, particularly when it comes to the male organ? There's a prevailing stereotype deeply embedded in our culture that larger penis size directly corresponds to masculinity and sexual prowess. But is this really the case? Or are we simply perpetuating a fallacy that doesn't hold up under scrutiny? Let's challenge this conventional mindset and consider an alternate perspective. What if having a smaller penis could actually have its own unique benefits? What if there are advantages that have been overlooked or dismissed because of our collective obsession with size? We're not suggesting that size doesn't matter at all, but rather that it might not matter in the way we've been led to believe. So let's take a step back from societal norms and venture into the uncharted territory of the benefits of having a small penis. It's time to debunk some myths and explore this topic from a fresh, unbiased perspective. From a scientific perspective, does size really matter? Let's dive into this. A multitude of scientific studies have shown that size doesn't necessarily equate to satisfaction. This might sound counterintuitive in our size-obsessed society, but let's consider the facts. The majority of nerve endings that contribute to sexual pleasure are located in the outer third of the vagina. This means that the size of the penis isn't as crucial as you may think when it comes to sexual pleasure. In fact, smaller penises can often be more comfortable during sex. This is particularly important for women who experience conditions like vaginismus, which can make intercourse uncomfortable or even painful. So, from a scientific perspective, it's clear that bigger isn't always better. In fact, smaller penises can provide a more comfortable and satisfying sexual experience. As the science suggests, smaller can indeed be better. But it's not just about the physical. There's an emotional and psychological side to this as well. When it comes to the emotional benefits, men with a smaller penis often place a greater emphasis on foreplay. This shift in focus can lead to a more satisfying and intimate experience for both partners. Communication also plays a crucial role here. Men who feel they have less to offer in terms of size may compensate by being more open and communicative about their partner's needs and desires. This willingness to engage in open dialogue can significantly enhance the level of intimacy in a relationship. On the psychological front, men with smaller penises often experience less performance anxiety. The pressure to measure up can be significantly reduced, allowing for a more relaxed and enjoyable sexual experience. This can also lead to increased confidence in other areas of life. So having a smaller penis can actually make you a better lover. So what have we learned today? We've certainly taken a deep dive into a topic that many might shy away from. We started off by shattering societal stereotypes, reminding ourselves that the size of a penis doesn't define a man or his ability to satisfy a partner. Then we took a journey into the world of science, where we found out that from an evolutionary perspective, a smaller penis might even be advantageous. We learned that it's not always about size, but more about the survival of the fittest. We also explored the emotional and psychological benefits. We discussed how having a smaller penis can lead to a greater focus on other aspects of sexual intimacy, fostering deeper emotional connections and improving overall satisfaction. So let's wrap it up here. Remember, it's not about size, it's about how you use it. Embrace what nature has given you and make the most of it.